Congratulations, you have just purchased Structure and Style for Students Year 1 Level B Basic Plus package. My name is Julie Walker and I'm here to help you unbox your product. The first thing that you'll see in your box is a What's in the Box flyer. This will guide you through basically some of the same things that I'm telling you right now today. What's also in this box is the Forever Streaming Activation Card. Don't lose this. You will need this to register your product and give your students access to the videos. Now, if you happen to purchase the DVDs, you will not have this card. This is DVDs, how they get their videos. This is Forever Streaming. They get their videos online. Then you'll find the student binder. What's tucked inside the student binder is the teacher's manual and the student packet. We're now going to set up your student's notebook, first of all, by taking the student packet and taking it out of the plastic wrap. Take the entire contents of this packet and drop it in the back of the student binder. Then, as explained on page 5 in the teacher's manual and on page 5 in the student materials, you're going to take the first few pages from the student materials and move them to the front of your student's binder. And that's it. Your student binder is all set up and they're ready to start their video course. Mr. Poudwa will tell them when to grab a fresh sheet of paper, when to pull another page from their student packet, and perhaps really helpful at the end of every class, how to organize your binder. What's also in this box is IEW's award-winning Fix-It Grammar program and IEW's portable walls. That's it. Everything you need to help your children learn to be good writers. We guarantee it.